Beautiful way to discuss about that interview profession. May I come in, sir? Sir, I am Abhinav Sirikaj. I am from Isar district of Haryana. I will go was and brought up in this. I have done my graduation from Delhi Technology University, BTech in Electronics and Communication Industries. Industry MD in Indian State Management, Calcutta. Who's that? I work in investment banker, but embed carpet and laptop management company. Who's that? I solve order at Tehsil revenue department with the government of Haryana. Currently, I am in direct service and posted in the ASDM under training in the private sector, in the government sectors. Tell me, when the all India services like Indian Administrative Service Board was the need for the government for the go for the it was state service for the union territories, Delhi elections, Andaman Nicobar and the Daman and Deep. It was felt that there are the certain workforce servant policies skills can be implemented activity in ground level and the post of the SDM Morani scheme be or staffed by Dynix officers and sir because these are the union territories union Dynix service they have legislature. So यानी कि UPSC decided to recruit for them यानी कि because the neither of full states nor the it is UT without the legislatures. Medium part was thought to implement the scheme policies and do the staffs designation in the post of an any other level. Corruption, step-based nepotism, and what the major issues of the function of bureaucracy. One is the risk aversion, and other is your intelligence. Real to validity present here. Risk aversion and the indecisiveness and some of the concern that bureaucracy in the civil services as then in other officers have to discern. Although they are issues these are the some of the however to get off this issues there is the multi-pronged approach should be adopted to ensure that the maladies are rectified. Firstly, sir, there should be certain the protections to civil servants more active in the bona fides intent which already is being provided to themselves. A certain service active in the bona fides, he should make sense. Then there is a certain protections and there are certain leeway that is given to them. Secondly, the civil servants who go out of the way and you take fast decisions over a directive to increase the efficiency of these offices. Thirdly, there should be prosecution in the enhanced enforcement of laws such as Prevention of Corruption Act, so that if the reason a grant official proved that someone acted malified, then the treatment rule of law. And fourthly, there should be regular training be conducted the civil servants and are motivated on to act decisively and then to not be a risk averse and at the same time following the rule of procedure mechanisms established. As we are witnessing starting startup ecosystem emerging in the country. There was a lot of exposure in this area to how to further encourage the startups and in this piece there should be the swing votes. First question is how startups should be encouraged. Firstly, there should be access to the credits and access to the capital that should be provided. Second, there should be hand holdings by the industry veteran industry leaders, which is currently done in the incubations or startup exploitation. There are various capabilities also for coming. Thirdly, sir, there should be a certain discounting mechanism to provide startups here their offices here, their heritage spaces, or certain ecosystem can be created where the many they can have their offices so that operation costs are reduced. And fourthly, there should be certain enforcement of IPRs and norms and IPRs rights so that if in starting already is building out a new product, then the unique selling provision of the ideas product is secured through the IP right. Second question is to be sectors should be focused on upon where we would see the growth in the industry Growth of aggregators and aggregators and they will operate across various fields such as urban mobility, such as overall food aggregators, etc. And sir, currently we are also saying there are some increasing wearables and wearable technologies. Fourthly, pharmaceuticals also one sector start of scans becomes. Good morning, sir. Abhinav, we have discussed regarding the Indian of the bureaucrats in general in the societies. If I talk specifically about DTUIM persons who belong to IM things, the SDM Sahab, all through your life you have been apprehensive because you are but your bureaucracy. What is going to be the personal strategies to go with such a mention about your personality and character? What you do not are you all be believe in corrupt officer by the other treating by the person. Sir, here I would look to in answers. I'll in my conduct, my deeds, my action would be such that propagate the message that I'm already in kind of corruption, any kind of risk, or any kind of indecisiveness. I would try to empathetic concentration, try to provide grievance, to address the issues materially. How will you handle in the way your own kids do not have such the number. Firstly, it was because we got profiles as a internship amount your colleagues. But the past profile anyone in my limited experience, I will able to the ability in the implemented changes, will able to the serve the pupils and reducing the given very betterment expected to the. Firstly, the respect to the personal and social aspect. Firstly, I will even if certain can bring we can break it, they can have accepted it higher we can to your IMF and director suggests the society or the social good is not. I would the sociologists of corruptions by society accept corruptions and they not the against corruptions perceives values. About back to the affairs and the society largely does not accept corruption. The society as a large. Various movements society has collected campaign collections. It could only with the families individual very fixing. What is under that context? The tago is something which is the looked upon, the looked down by the society, something within more favorable with the social or cultural mores, the status or the current sociological current, different theories about the taco formation, the segments given theory about taco formation which very link of taco with respect to the psychological aspect individuals. There have been other sociologists who have given theories with respect to taco which is generally socially expected in the society and the if someone's works in the way which antithetical to the which is not favorable for the society that becomes for instance the establishment of the sati say is when people are asked to the have sati about the taboo with legislation coming in that were normalizations it did not remain a taboo then. It mentioned that you like to perform, say, analyze the Bollywood movies and things like that. Body. Exist in directions about this BBC documentary thing world over the person institutions after institution we can say India on India's handling of BBC documentary. What was the upgrade loss of the government to know the documentary people will see they forget about their in also the home or weakened democracies. The government could allow BBC documentary into which board because it is a part of the freedom of speech on the expression it produce and directors. Indian constitution also provided sustained restriction under 95 which is that BBC these lists are the 2 IT. It is under the reasonable restrictions burning of the documentary, and see this is also as per laws believed and that the legal issues with respect to the transfer prices and tax imagine of part of BBC. They were offshoring the revenues of the foreign some other territories and saving on the tax. The investigation or the activities the income tax department there is also a rule of law and such as the sovereign right and it is reasonable for any agencies to conduct and these are relation issues on failure is not on the ground of whether or not it was legal, it is on the ground that we could not handle the international public opinion. He does not see the case. These are normal investigations and even soon connected with the documentary that was bought earlier. Also, there are the other companies which are under investigations. These are the routine processes. I think you do from IMCAN. Sir, big attend German management degrees specialization. Which area you loved more? Marketing or finance, HR, finance strategy. Question for you. Certain financial analysis. That is finance. Top line strategy and top line strategy refers to the student adoption organization improving or running organizations. Or this could be done either by the looking at the two levers which is price in the other quantity of the items, whether a company can have premium product etc. And though the quantity of the product can sell, a company can have more cheaper goods, more quantity of product. How to apply is the governance. Governance with respect to the various PSU, say they are in the business of the there are the will they have certain product sold they can located the certain PSC such IOCL, OLNGC. The prices are controlled for applied these strategies and to deliver and social security programs the government like NSF. There both the government can do the respect to the budgeting, they can ensure the schemes. Firstly, the MG Nariga schemes they will look at 60,000 for the one is the number of beneficiaries not payable to them because the government can have more number of beneficiaries and enroll under the inclusion, social inclusion and the beneficiary. When giving the slogans minimum government, maximum government, inspired by token. This is the big top line as well as the bottom line and this part of the top line maximum government is many people who can tax services and bottom line strategy so in that case with respect to the minimum government wants to reduce the operation cost and to reduce to optimize and the efficiency of the government as well. Voting standards settle out of a trickle down effect if there are certain surplus which is enjoyed by the top section of the society if the segment of the society grows that properties trickle down to people who are the bottom of the parameters to people who are the mechanism of the trickling down. Sir, it is in the context of the India, so it is run through the tax allocation is through taxation to the surplus wealth or the excess wealth that tax is tax in these taxables in the redistribution can promotion of standard. Sir, the sales of those productions grow. We have the GST. Some of the product is GST of 28%, and also, sir, there would be the income tax. Also, the sellers or the producers of the indirect taxes that will go to the government. In spite of agriculture revolution, as expressed by Haryana, Haryana is the highest rate of unemployment. 2.7%. That is a ridiculous situation. This kind of growth cannot generate employment or our entire belief in the growth strategy. How to explain this product is Haryana. Firstly, there is high per capita income, there is industrial activities, there is a demand and supply gap there in Haryana due to low skillings and lack of appropriate capabilities and limited employabilities of the individuals. The demand for employment and the made by the people from the other states, that is what one reasons account for the higher employment. Other reasons are limited to the certain sections of the state. The other districts, 16, 17 districts, do not have those kind of entities. Thirdly, such entrepreneurships and has also seen the limited growth Haryana. So those values are also limited. That seem also which explain the unemployment. Work and finance experts in how do we define tax laws? Tax laws refers to the economic tax collection which happens as the national income of the GDP of the nation increases. That the difference in tax law. Different from tax analysis. Tax elasticity what and not having a very tax elasticity. You have management postgraduates and you have to own business strategy as well to become district and administrators and you come to know and this particular district was famous for its cement industries. However, you revise in study in political study collect data from the secondary sources of the industry itself. Reasons. The decline of the industry. The reasons could be industry policy favorables, they were coordinating necessary incentives on tax reductions or the reason there was a law and order problem or demand logistic cost increase. Develop strategy to the general strategy to ensure that favorables and environment is created from cement industries. Harmful industries which is created. There is a atrocity of the road and logistic infrastructures and the logistical. Thirdly, and I would look at pro materials from locally. How did the the cases and making a necessary step to the show the raw material are also procured for ease. So totally and there is a restrictions on the growth on the raw materials, other things and I would because the district magistrate I would make the proposal of the Honorable Council of Ministers to incorporate the demand of trade industry overall industry policy of the state. Like refer to lay down of brothers and 10,000 employees. What is the reason behind it? Firstly, it is a part of the restructuring policies of the organization so building system to ensure the employee cost reduces and should be the appropriated skill purpose they get they dedicated to the skilled important they level to the. Secondly, there has been general issues with IT companies lately post-COVID period that could be the general industry trend which the irrestructured. The future seems bright and face bears have been the sub for the industries and the services with the demand of the IT services is to grow. What is the SEO? Lot of this organization the SEO. So what was the objectives of the organization? This was the terms of the objectives, heights of the anti-terrorism and we have the cooperated between the Central Asian nations and certain East Asian nations also giving to membership. So that is going about this. What is the geopolitical implications? Firstly, the memberships SEO organizations growing from last year also members are now also expanding. Secondly, from the Central Asian economic to Western economics, so players such as Iran, which have the geostrategic importance with respect to the access seas are ports or which have the important stake with respect to the connectivities. They are an important part of INST corridors, Russia was agreement and other pipelines, and that is the one reason. So that is one implication respect to connectivity. Secondly, sir, it will also the ensure the trade among the members of the facility, encouraging to terrorism or counter-terrorism also. And Iran also becomes the stakeholders and with the efforts of the current ASEAN members. Protection, discriminations, and not only protects but also discriminates. Protects the individuals and sections of society from extending but also discriminated. which is not provided to the other section of the society. Discriminations can be affirmative discrimination and negative discrimination. As long as this is affirmative discrimination and to the take care of the status rights, again now you are done electrical communication engineering. Tell me what is OLED? Micro LED. OLED is organic LEDs and micro LED is a type of light emitting diodes. And what's the major difference between the composition of LEDs and display of through this the light emitted? Second difference is related to the size of the display and the size of the basis for the micro LED technology. There is basically diode and photoswap electric current and the as electricity for the blue diodes. Their emission electron potential diodes is supplied same in the display through which is happening through the audio also. So I'll have to talk about. Recent there was some controversy about the appointment of retired judges to some positions and how recently Arun Jaitley ji have said retirement judgment often influences of post consideration using that something. The constitutionalist there is no limitation of the appointment of retired judges as the governor or to any other post to practice. So sir, constitutionally know about legal and these instrument or founder and ministers. So for all cases they may be set. Currently and pre-retirement decisions may be best post-retirement benefits. But sir, it depends on the moral. And certain procedures which need to be followed. For instance, in other nations and India stands also the similar lines for police affiliates there should be appointed. There can be the committees on the lines of excommunication things. What is excommunication thing? Dawoodi Bohra community. Excommunication is the social measures in the form of social controls which is exported enforces social controls. Certain individuals and certain groups in that society are not in our or the made a part of the society. This is a part of unique cultural practices are received in religious practices. From the state would you like? Largely on the side of constitution morality, so there should be religious freedom, but also said Article 25 and 26 the religion denomination be also able to donate. Recently this conference of parties conventional biological diversity was held in Montreal. Capacity in China while the major outcomes. Recent past share passes of many companies in the US and by Google and Microsoft think humanity could be just centered on India. The surprising on the professional IT companies of India. Some of these organizations, their offices in India also. With the overall property also coming down. Some pressures on the subsidiaries operating India also. Thirdly, the efforts continued. There may be the repercussions for the hiring and employment. Also, there the organization due to cut down the cost. It also impact certain product and services cost intensity and research and development. Certain new project these companies or certain research intensity project this might be planning. The pace of implementation is entirely self-offer the paceless there. Do you think in the modern era young people still follow the Sanskritization? The modern era with the constitutional safeguard that we have the social mobilities witnessed by the individuals and the social Sanskritization fully limited expansion. And so because we have Article 15 article that is stated and safeguard access to the education and others, as well as employed opportunity sensitizations has become the limitations and to claim the upper caste status and status. Now for the other schools education and health schoolers that becomes schools and also the secondary direct between the first and the class and students between of this earlier distributing her last today. There are also the heaven because of this subscription.